All right, hi, I'm Greg Undo with Steinberg. We're here at the Yamaha booth at Winter NAMM 2014, and we'll take a look at some of the new Steinberg stuff. So we have Cubase 7.5. What's cool about this is we have a new concept called track version. So if you have multiple tracks, you could actually just come right over here and switch between multiple takes so that you can build kind of the perfect performance. Now, as you do this, it's not limited to just audio, but we could actually come here and have our chord track and different MIDI parts have different track versions. So if I want to switch MIDI parts, or even my tempo track, if I wanted to come here and select different tempo tracks within my project, or selected a chord track, we can just come right here and have our chord track. So we can do all sorts of great stuff with that. Now, one of the things that we also wanted to do was to come over here and have a whole slew of new plugins that come with Cubase 7.5. So if I wanted to just activate this project, and as you do this, one of the things that we can have is VST Connect Pro. So if you wanted to record audio from someone who's living somewhere else in a different country, a different state, you could actually, through the internet, set up a record session, and the user could download this program free of charge, and they can record directly into your Cubase timeline, and you can actually see them on the webcam. Now, coming over here, we'll take a look at some of the new track visibility functions. This was introduced first in the mixer, but if I want to go to my visibility, I could actually have different track presets. So if I only want to see the vocals, or I only want to see the synths or the drums, I could have my track versions and have everything, my track visibility options, and I can just see exactly what I want to. Now, in addition to this, we can come over here and we can have new plugins. So one of them would be Loop Mash. So if I want to come here and do different stutter effects, as I play my track, I'm going to come right over here and we'll play. And as we do this, we'll just kind of jump in our timeline here. And then we can have different stutter effects and DJ drops. So very, very easy to do, like stutters, drops, you know, all that right there. And you can actually trigger this in real time from MIDI. In addition to that, we're going to have, we reintroduced our Magneto plugin, which is the first analog tape saturation system. So we could do that right there. Also enhanced was the new Groove Agent. So if I wanted to come here, I could actually just select my Groove Agent, and we have Groove Agent SE4. So not only can we have all sorts of different kits, but full pattern support. So we have an entire pattern layer. And one of the neat things is also this concept of gesture control. So if I wanted to, I could use something like the Leap Motion controller here on the desk. And what this is going to allow me to do is I could actually just set up to do transport controls, or if I wanted to automate my parameter, I could just use my hand here, and I could just learn, and I could just simply come right here and automate my different parameters directly here. So I'm going to learn the function. I click on Learn, select the function right here, and as you do that, I can now just come right over there and have different gestures for starting, stopping, or mixing my files. Now, one of the hardware things that we've introduced is the new UR44 interface. So we've had a great deal of success with our UR22 interface, and this is going to add 4 mic pre's at 24-bit 192K, 2 headphone outs. It has 6 ins total, 4 outputs, and also has a class compliance switch. So this will allow you to directly connect it to your iPad with MIDI in and out and built-in DSP. The last thing that we've introduced at the show is the brand new IC Pro. So if we wanted to have remote control, we've had it for the iPad where you can control keyboard shortcuts, mixer, transport, Cubixes. So you can do that remotely from your tablet, but we've now released it for Android. So you can do it on your Kindle Fire, your Samsung phone, and have complete control. So whether you're working on tablets, you want to integrate your phones, portable desktop solutions, laptop solutions, hardware, software, the Steinberg solutions will be the best choice for you.